If you know you have been uploading your video using this feature, if you know you have been uploading your video using this option, if you know you have been uploading your video directly to YouTube, you have been making a very big mistake. If you want to post your video on YouTube, there are three options there. There is this option which is unlisted, and there is schedule, and there is public, and there is premium. So you have to choose one of those options. I see some YouTubers picking public. This is a very big mistake. You can't post your video directly to public. Posting your video directly to public trash trash your videos to the algorithm, because the algorithm will not have time to analyze your video. Me basically, I do not post my video directly to YouTube. You can go ahead and post your video to public, and the algorithm will just push your video to the viewers who do not want to watch your video, because there are tons of viewers on YouTube. There are lots of viewers on YouTube. I myself, I love tutorial video, and you making cooking content, your video pops up on my page. I would not like to click on it. So posting your video directly to YouTube will not give the YouTube algorithm time to analyze your video and know what your video is talking about, so that it can push your video to the right audience. The right audience equals to views. Right audience equals to views. If your video is being pushed to the right audience, you will get a lot of views. So on this video, I'm going to show you how to post your video on YouTube so that you can get more views. Without wasting much time, let's dive into my phone so that I can show you step by step on how to do it. So I will be using my phone for this tutorial. If you have a laptop, you can just go to your laptop and type in youtubestudio.com, or you can go to your Chrome browser and use your Chrome browser. So as you can see here, and my title is how to get views on YouTube. Then the description, you need to explain to the algorithm what your video is talking about. So you come down here, and I guess all of you know this. You need to make sure your video is set to no, it's not made for kids. Then you scroll down, you turn up this my video content paid promotion. If yours is turned on, turn it off. Then you scroll all the way down, turn off those generated realistic scene. If your video is not AI, automatic chapter, you turn it off. Automatic placement, allow automatic places, turn it off. Then you scroll down to your tags. You need to make sure your tag is related to your video. That is the key point. Make sure, because if your title is not clear, the algorithm can use your tags to figure out your audience. This option I'm about to show you now is one of the top two important options in posting videos. So the option here is called publish to subscriber and notify subscribers. I see some small YouTubers turning this on. Like, you don't have subscribers yet, turn this off. Turn it off so that the algorithm can know you don't have subscribers, so that they can push your videos to the viewers who want to watch your videos. Okay, turn this off. Turn this off now. If it's turned on, turn it off. You don't need to on this. Okay, turn it off. Then you scroll all the way down to where you need to make the algorithm know what your video is talking about. So let me just say, for example, you make a video about gaming. So you need to select if your video is about comedy, gaming, or it's a tutorial video. So mine is a tutorial video, so I pick how. Take note, make sure you set this, because this still help the algorithm know what your video is talking about. Okay, so you don't need to cross check. Once you are done, you need to cross check everything and know if you are making a mistake or not. Just go ahead and cross check everything you set. Cross check everything. Okay, cross check everything. Just go ahead and cross check your settings if you made a mistake. Once you are done cross checking, you can just go ahead and click next, and don't forget to check if your video have any issues. All right, so you go ahead and click next. All right, click next. So here is the real deal. This is the real deal. This is number one trick to go viral on YouTube. This is the real deal here. So I see some people putting their videos to public. I'm going to make uh I'm going to analyze the one that is correct for you. So you need to make sure you keep note. Okay, take note of this. You can just screenshot it. All right. So you make sure your video is unlisted or private. Don't schedule your video. Don't post to public. I see some teachers teaching people to schedule their video. If you are coming up, you don't need to schedule your video. Okay, you don't need to schedule it. Once you tap unlisted, once you place your video on unlisted or private, you can just go ahead and save it. And please and please don't schedule your video and don't post to public if you are just coming up, if you don't have any subscribers. It's good to schedule your post if you already have subscribers. Then you told your subscribers, I'm going to post a video, like you make an announcement to your subscriber, I'm going to post video in so day. That's fine to schedule your video, but you don't have subscribers yet, you are just coming up, so don't schedule your post. Okay, just put it on private or unlisted. Then when it's time for you to make it go public, you make it go public, but don't make it go public as soon as possible. Just give it time, like 30 minutes to 1 hour before you make it go public. So I'm going to show you how to make it public after you have placed it on private or unlisted. So I'm going to show you right now on my phone. So once you finish placing your video as unlisted or private, you come over to your YouTube app. Then you head over to your account. Then you are going to find the video which you place as unlisted right at the top of your video list. Okay, so you come over to the video here, then edit you edit the video. Once you edit the video, you are going to see the video as only unlisted. You are going to see the video as unlisted. Okay, then you place it as public. It's going to be like this. Then you put it as public, place it as public, then you save. Then you come over to the top save button here, the save button at the top there. You save. Trust me, this trick work like magic. It works like magic. You save it. Once you have saved it, you are done. You are done. You just need to wait for the algorithm to do its magic. Okay, try these tips out, and thank you very much for watching.